All types of grooving turning tools are now available in Cloud Connect Tool Manager. Access Cloud Connect Tool Manager from the Home ribbon, either by selecting the Post Configurator drop-down, Cloud Connect Tool Manager, or by selecting Create Tool, Retrieve Tools from Cloud Connect Tool Manager. In the Tool module, with type set to Turning, all types of grooving turning tools are now available in the Subtype section. As with any other tool type, the usual functionalities of selecting and editing tools are available. Users can also duplicate and delete tools or create new ones. Detailed information about a specific tool is available via hovering over the information icon on that tool's card. As an example, we will create a new tool and select Turning, Grooving, OD Grooving. Here we can adjust tool dimensions and other parameters of the new tool. These options include altering the control side of the new tool, changing the holder hand from left to right, or switching between a square and round shank type. The newly created tool can be sent to NX by clicking on this button. Now, operations can access this tool as needed.